Hello and welcome back to my channel Trader Vader. This is your host Amma. The market has opened up some time back, guys. We see it started with a huge fall like yesterday, but then it's kind of in a sideways zone right now. Not really sure if it's going to break the lows, if it's going to break on the upside. We'll have to see that. As for this support zone, guys, I have taken this from the previous support. Uh, took support on 23rd December, then it took support from the same zone on 6th of Jan, and then pretty much this particular week from 12th to 13th of Jan. So pretty much, guys, it looks like that the support is broken in the 1 hour time frame. If we look at the 1 minute time frame, we still have this low to be broken. This particular low is still not broken, guys. So once that breaks, probably I would either go short or I would wait for it to retrace and then, you know, make some sort of price action and then break a trend line and then probably I would short. Or I'm going to wait for this particular trend line to break, then take a support and then some sort of price action here. And then when it breaks the trend line on the upside, I'm going to go long. So that's my plan, guys. Let's see what happens. So guys, this is the volatility I was talking about earlier. If you see, this is the options chart. PE options, 17,800 PE. So if you see this single candle, this particular single candle from 236, the low is 203. 30 rupees on a single candle, guys. Just think people who bought this PE here thinking that it's breaking out, they have lost a lot of money, Just look at the way it's falling, guys. uh, this is what I was expecting, this is what I was thinking will happen somewhere around this support area. But as I was talking about the manipulations earlier, the bigger hands, they will first trap the sellers and then they will quickly start exiting, which will trigger a short recovery. So that is what is happening here. If you can see in just three candles, guys, just three candles. Just look at the candles, guys. So my plan earlier was to wait for a retracement onto the support zone and then short, but a very swift retracement such as these are very risky to trade, especially when you are planning to short again, because you never know. I mean, it can form a huge spike, single candle, and then come back very fast, or it can continue to trap all the sellers, people who will sell by looking at this candle, and then market continues to go up. So that also happens. A very gradual up move such as this one, the up move here. If this kind of up move would have happened after the breakdown of the support, that's the kind of up move we would like to trade. Uh, this particular up move. And now the original plan which I had, guys, was waiting for the support to break quickly and then gradually come up to the support and then break a trend line on the downside, and that is where I was planning to enter. But here, guys, here at this particular zone, let me just highlight this zone here. Here I saw a little bit of up move, a little bit of retracement from this support area, and then this big candle uh, told me that okay, there is still selling pressure, and this is I entered once here, just to get my feet wet, and then after this particular candle it started to go up. This particular after I saw this candle, I thought okay, this is the kind of move that can come, so I exited here. Then I waited a little bit, a few minutes, and then when I saw this particular candle and this particular trend line was breaking, here I entered again. I entered put options because in the put here, even though on the spot chart the market was falling, in the put chart, if we see the 17,800 put chart, the market was kind of sideways in this zone. It was rising and then falling back to the VWAP, then rising, and then here pretty much it did nothing. And then here, the first entry that I took, seeing that there is a breakout and the market can come up to this level, which is 220 level or around 230 level. That is why I entered here. The 1002 candle here is this. But as I said, the downfall can be pretty swift. So when I saw this candle, I exited and then I waited a little bit. And then this particular candle, when I saw this particular candle, I thought, okay, this I can enter here, because then it gives me a stop loss below this particular candle, and it gave me a pretty good rally on the upside, guys. I exited somewhere here around 229 on this particular candle. I'll show you the order book. So as you can see, the 1002 trade, I exited at 10.8 SL, and then after 1 minute I got that particular entry, and then I exited at 228. So all in all, a pretty good trade, guys. I would say 1:5 I got risk to reward. So I'm done for the day, guys. It was pretty I would say intense. I could not record uh, you know the trade because I was quite into it. I was expecting this kind of up trapping move, and if you're on the wrong side of this move, you really will lose a lot of money, because you don't get the opportunity to exit at the price you want. These kinds of move, guys, it may miss your SL as well. If you place limit orders in SL, if you place market orders, then there is going to be a huge slippage. So I had to be very alert, and that's why I could not record the live trade, guys. Hopefully I'll try to record it in the next time. Thank you all for watching, guys.